Hello, my name is Toby Tropper, and I'm here to talk about the outrageously funny play within the play, Noise is Off, now playing at the Rubicon Theater Company and starring a stellar cast of top-notch actors who exude talent and professionalism.
I can't find the bloody sardines! Did one of you cheeky bosses rip?
Our renowned theater director has won numerous awards and leads the cast with vision and guidance, thanks in no small part to a true empathy for the actors.
I don't care how you feel, just read the lines.
Of course, there are always certain creative differences in a show of this magnitude, but to be honest, the cast and crew really know how to put their best assets forward and continue with dedication and focus.
Where's your dress?
No one can truly find the words to expose the brilliance of this play and its truly gifted company of actors with whom I've learned so much.
Can't take this anymore!
Bring your neck.
This is the least dysfunctional group of people I've ever worked with.